back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and this adorable little bell. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I am so glad to be back. I know I didn't make a video on Friday and I didn't make a video on Monday. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I did post on my community tab, so I hope you saw that, and I kind of gave you a brief explanation as what's going on. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I really miss you guys when I can't make videos, but you know, that work. You gotta work, right? Anyways, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I totally missed you, and as you can tell by the title of the video, this is my long-awaited dining room tour. So what I did here is I showed on my last video, I showed this arrangement that I made behind me, and now I styled my fireplace. I finished painting it. I mean, I have two more steps actually to do, but I really wanted to put this video out for you, and I wanted you to see what I've done so far. I like it. It's a really nice kind of French country, you know, touches of French country, and I added touches of farmhouse. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a few things that I bought last week when I went shopping in Buffalo. I went to Christmas tree shops and I got just a few little things. I want to show you those. If you have a Christmas tree shop, then you can go out and get them because they were amazing deals. I know, we vowed that it would only be things on clearance or amazing deals, and these were amazing deals. And some of them you're gonna see in the dining room today when I show you the tour. Okay, enough of me rambling. Bella, get to the tour. And I'll be back at the end, guys, to say my final words. Okay, guys, let's start here. So you can see the dining room. I haven't changed much. There's not many changes, but you're gonna go to the part soon where I did change a lot. First, I wanna show you this tablecloth. This is one of those new purchases I was talking about. I got it at Christmas Tree Shop, and it is so pretty. Now this one, and it came in many sizes. This one is a 60 by 120, and it was only $12.99. So if you're interested, that's where I got that. Okay, for my dough bowl here, I decided to make a little arrangement, and I wanted to make it very earthy and fun. So I added topiary balls and some hydrangeas, and I just kept it green and white. And then I made these little candle rings. You can see there on my candles. Just garland, and I wrapped it around. And this adorable little bird, isn't he so cute? That is another purchase from the Christmas tree shop also, and that was only $3.99. And this runner that I have in the middle of the table, you could see there. This one I had before, I got it before, but it is also from a Christmas tree shop, and I think it was very inexpensive, but I don't remember the price. And I did see it there last week when I was there. So you could see my hutch, and I don't know, many of you saw the hutch video, but it's remained the same. I didn't really do much to it. I'm gonna turn the light on inside. You could see it a little bit better. Okay, and in this corner here, I just added a little faux tree in a cute basket. Nothing special. On both of my mirrors, I just have little wreaths that I got from, where are they from? They're from Hobby Lobby, and you can get them all the time. And so are the little scrolls up there. I don't know if I've shown those before, but there you go. You can see them there on either side. So it really mimics, both sides are symmetrical. And I'm going to show you another look at the table. And it's just green and white. It's just very plain, you know, very neutral. Hey guys, and this is my fireplace wall. And this fireplace used to be a dark wood brown. I'm going to try and insert a clip here. Okay, here's a look of the before. It is a dark wood and it's very old. It is electric, so I did not feel bad painting it at all. Okay, so you saw the before. That's what it looked like before. And here it is after. I'm going to go in closer so you could see the decor. I added these two really nice farmhouse lamps, but I think they're farmhouse with a twist, like a little bit of French country twist, because of the pretty wood beads. And this little tiny sign is also something I got from Christmas tree shops. Really inexpensive, guys. It was only $3.99. And another one of these little birds that is just so adorable. And this is the centerpiece I recently made with all Dollar Tree florals. Okay, let's get to the other part. Okay, so on this side of the room, I have like an alcove in my dining room where the window is, so I hope the lighting is good. This is what I did. This is the most impact. I dry brushed two of my chairs. Like I lightly whitewashed them with a chalk paint, and I'll show it to you more in detail. But the vignette looks cute so far, but we'll get back to that. So here's a view of the chair, and I'll just give you a brief explanation what I did. I cross-brushed the paint to give it this antique-y feel. I wanted it to feel as if you found these chairs in an old flea market in Paris, and they're old and chippy, but the technique is really good. You'll see here, it brings out the detail in the chair even more than it did before when they were solid brown. So I think I achieved the look I was going for, and it's just a small touch. And it's all the small touches that really tie this look together. So I do think it looks really, really good. And it gives you an idea of what I'm going for as a feel in the whole room. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the little vignette I made here on the table. This is a round antique table. I layered napkins and this little tablecloth. The little tablecloth actually has fleur-de-lis on it. I know the camera won't show it. That little box is from a Christmas tree shop, and then I added the glass cloche and that big tall vase with the little stems in it that say, "Come on, spring, come on." So that's what I did here. I'm going to give you the view from over here so maybe you can get a better view. So I think it looks really good to just have the two accent chairs. I don't know if the color is doing it justice on camera, but they look really nice, and they look really nice and worn, and the way I dry brushed them really makes them look old and vintagey, and that's kind of the look I was going for. So I think I achieved the look I was going for, and I like my little display. For right now, it says, "Come on, spring, come quick." And I just think it looks really cute. I'm just giving you another look on that side. Okay, so there's the mantle. And then on this wall here, I just added these two candle holders. But instead of putting candles in them, I like these floppy topiaries. So I think that looks cute. There you can see the hutch. It's all lit up now. I turned the lights on. My hutch has lights on the inside. The top light's really, really bright. But I think as a whole, looking at the dining room like this and seeing the little touches, it really updated it. It does look better. And yeah, so I think it looks pretty good. I think it turned out pretty good. Okay guys, we're at the shopping haul time because you know me and shopping, it's still on a good deal. It's still a really good deal. So I didn't do too much damage. I actually couldn't find things that I wanted. And I went to Hobby Lobby and I didn't buy anything. Nothing. Not one thing. I mean, but I'm going back, so that's fine. So I went to Christmas Tree Shop, which is one of my favorite stores because they have amazing prices. So it's the Petal and Stone collection. I hope you can see. I hope my lighting is doing really good. So it's a set of 4 napkins. I bought 8. Super inexpensive, guys. $5.99. $5.99 for napkins like this. And you saw them on the little round table that I layered them. Let me show you what one of them looks like. Okay, so this is what one of the napkins looks like. And it's a very pretty neutral color. And I love this ruffle detail. I mean, look how cute this is, guys. Now, this one's not ironed, obviously, you could tell. But this is such a pretty farmhouse French country detail. So if you're looking for stuff like this, I would highly recommend the Christmas Tree Shop. Okay, another thing I got from there, you saw in this video, were the little green birds. They're so cute. The thing was the table runner. I got the exact same table runner with the ruffles. And they came in a few different colors. So if you're interested, I know they had a green, which was very nice. And I think I might go back and get the green color. And also they had a blue, and don't quote me, but I think there was a lilac or pink. I'm not, I kind of regret not buying it, but they had a bunch of other stuff. That collection is really great, guys. I love that collection. Okay, then on the weekend I was out and about. I had to get toothpaste and, like the usual stuff. But I have to show you what I found at my dollar store because, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can we just talk about Hobby Lobby dupes? How gorgeous are these? I'm on the hunt for one more of these. But I wanted to show you these because these are fantastic. I think these are considered cabbage roses, and my camera is making this look a lot more yellow than it is. It's a green, like it's more of a green. Why is my camera making it look like that? It's more of a green. So I got 3 of this color and 3 of the white ones. They're the exact same cabbage roses. Okay, when you see them together, they don't look yellow, so they look really pretty. Now, for each one of this bouquet, they're calling these bouquets. I call this a stem. They were only $3, and I thought that was an amazing deal. The quality is really good. So my Canadian girls at Dollarama, yeah, Dollarama. So aren't we excited about that? Now, I know you guys are going to go nuts when you see this, because I know people that love farmhouse and love eucalyptus go nuts over this stuff. Guys, Dollarama, $1.50. $1.50 for a stem like this. And it's got 4 pieces on it, and they look so good. I mean, so good. I've seen these for really expensive. I saw them at Michael's too, and I was like, Michael's, you're crazy. But I did see the Michael's spring line. A little excited. A little excited. Let's just say a little excited. So I got 4 of the eucalyptus, and then I only found 2 of these. And I was so sad, and I'm going to be on the hunt to get more of this. I love this kind of peony. I really want to make a big arrangement. How much was this? This was $3, but it is massive. I mean, massive. Look at the size of my head. So I thought it was a really good buy, and I know that even at Michael's, when they have them 50% off, I wouldn't have paid $3. So that was a really good deal. And then what else did I get? I got those florals. Oh my God, I have to show you these. These are so cute. So cute. Guys, Dollarama, I couldn't believe these. Like, how? I know. I'm thinking of Easter already. I know. It's just crazy. How cute is this? Look at the little bunny. So cute. So it's a little bunny and lady's dragging the other little bunny. It's a wood house, and it's like painted green. And look, it even lights up. Oh, where's the light? There you go. It even lights up. Isn't that so cute? So I got 2. I got this style and I got this style. Isn't that adorable? Like, how cute is that going to be come Easter? So if you're a Dollarama girl or a Canadian girl, this is a good buy. $3. $3. Yeah, $3. Great buy. And then, of course, I couldn't leave Dollarama without looking at the greenery pigs, because I now think I have an obsession. But I saw them on Hobby Lobby, and I was like, Bella, run, get more. at the dollar store because you know you're gonna move and you're never gonna find this stuff again. Yeah, I saw almost the identical one at Hobby Lobby, and I think they wanted what they want, $6.99 or something like that. $2. Can't go wrong. Okay, that's it. That's the end of my video. That is it. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you liked the tour of the dining room. I hope this video is not too long. Hope I didn't ramble on for forever, but I haven't seen you in a couple days, so it's okay, right? I'm forgiven. And I read every single one of my comments, and I gave it a big heart because I love you guys. I love you guys, but guys, please forgive me. My schedule is insane. I mean, I can't even tell you insane. Yeah, insane. I cannot respond back to every single person. So just so please know that I will respond randomly. Like if you ask me a question, like what color lipstick are you wearing, or where did you get that, or how did you do that, or whatever, I will try to respond to those as much as I can. And then, you know, when I'm reading the messages and I'm giving it a heart, I will see a message from one of my loyal subbies. Wait. Loyal subbies. I gotta thank 3 people. Like I said, the first one is Lucy, who sent me a beautiful e-card on my birthday. Lucy, I hope you got back the email that I sent you back. That was really sweet. Thank you. And then my subby Pam, who I love. Hey Pam. She sent me a beautiful birthday card. I love it. It's gorgeous. And then my subby but friend. Guys, I can't thank you guys enough. Carolyn, thank you. I love my gift. She sent me the cutest thing. You'll see it. You'll see one of it on a 2-tier tray, but then she sent me this beautiful t-shirt that I'm going to wear very proudly on an upcoming video for sure. And yeah, so that was really nice. I just want to make sure that I thank you guys publicly. I'm sure they're okay with me saying their names, right? Anyways, have a fantastic day. I'm very sorry that work got in the way of our fun here on YouTube, and I will see you all tomorrow. So have a beautiful day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah! Bye, guys.